Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change name on Epic Games. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up any web browser. Here I'm using Safari, and you can just simply go ahead and search for epicgames.com. And once you search for epicgames.com, make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account. So once it's done, go ahead and tap on that menu bar and tap on account settings. So once you tap on it, your account information will be shown. When you scroll down a bit, you can see personal details. You can see your name right in here. So in order to change your name, you can simply tap on your name that you want to change, and you can just simply remove it and add another name, and you can just save the changes, and you can also change your last name. So yeah guys, this is how easily you can change name on Epic Games. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.